Hello viewers, welcome to NRG Healthcare. I am Dr. Akila. In this video, we'll discuss what are the reasons for arthritis. During the last video, we discussed what is arthritis in detail. We understood that there is a cartilage in the bone which get damaged and that causes arthritis problem. As I discussed, this is a wear and tear. Overuse of the joint causes arthritis problem. So it is most common in the weight-bearing joints. Example, knee joint, hip joint and ankle joint. Similarly, in the hand also it is quite common because the repeated use in the hand. Mainly the thumb joint is getting involved in osteoarthritis problem. Does it happen only patients with overweight? The answer is no, because when the weight goes through the joint, if you are overweight, obviously you are more prone for arthritis problem at early age. But even if you are not overweight, if you have any problem with the knee already, example the meniscus problem or ligament issues or any alignment issues we will discuss in later stage, that can cause arthritis problem. Similarly, any surgery involving the joint because of previous injury or fracture, that can cause early arthritis problem. One good thing is, even though there is a repeated movement causes the arthritis problem, when we do targeted exercise for that specific joint and strengthen the muscles around that, there is a slowness in the progression of osteoarthritis, and also patients do not develop arthritis at young age. One of the most common reason for joint replacement is osteoarthritis. So by doing regular exercise, we can postpone the osteoarthritis and avoid joint replacement surgery. So let's see the risk factors for osteoarthritis in detail. We all know that as the age advances, there is a more wear and tear in the joint that causes arthritis. Currently, we are experiencing more young patients having arthritis, especially in the lower back and neck bones because of their lifestyle. And obesity also contribute to the young age osteoarthritis problem. As you all know, the more you put the weight into the joint, the early wear and tear happens. As we discussed, any injury to the joint can cause early osteoarthritis. Similarly, it can run in the family. Also, low level of hormones, especially sex hormone level, can cause arthritis problem at early age. The joints are supported by the muscles. So any muscle weakness is going to cause poor weight distribution in the joint that can cause the arthritis problem at young age. But most common cause is advanced age and obesity, and also the repeated use of the joint can cause osteoarthritis. Other common reasons are some chemical deposition like gout and inflammation in the arthritis like rheumatoid arthritis. These arthritis happens in the previously, so the patients can have osteoarthritis at younger age. And some deposits like iron deposits in hemoglobinopathies can cause arthritis problem. Nerves are very, very important to coordinate the muscles and weight distribution through the joint properly. So if there is any nerve problem that can affect the muscle, that can cause a joint problem and muscle problem. Previously, poorly formed joint, example congenital hip dislocation it's called, the hip bone is not developed properly. Similarly, knee bone is not properly developed. These can cause problem with arthritis at younger age. Some problem with the bones like avascular necrosis, there is no blood flow to the bone, or previous surgeries to the ligaments in the joint, that can cause problem with the arthritis at younger age. So how do we diagnose arthritis problem? It's very easy diagnosis. X-ray is the most commonly used test to diagnose arthritis. As we discussed before, during last session, there is a space between the two bones which helps the bone to move smoothly in the joint. As the cartilage gets disturbed, the bone loses its cartilage and it comes together. So the space between the joint is lost. So loss of joint space is the specific thing for osteoarthritis. or arthritis problem. If there is no loss of joint space, the next test is MRI test, which includes the cartilage and ligament assessment. And also the doctor arranges blood test for other reason for arthritis like uric acid level and rheumatoid factor, all those things. These are the common tests done for arthritis problem, but most commonly it's diagnosed through the X-ray. During the subsequent session, we will discuss about how to prevent arthritis problem and also what are the treatment available for arthritis problem. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.